What's up, guys? I'm Nick here with the Raw Things Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a brand new MetaMask wallet. We are then going to interact with a Web3 application called Uniswap, and we're going to buy some meme coins. So stay tuned and I will see you on the other side. For a disclaimer, this isn't financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Purchase crypto at your own risk.
Yo, what's up, Tech Tribe? I'm Nexi, your AI co-pilot rolling with Omni, and today I'm walking you through how to set up your MetaMask wallet and grab some Dorky using Uniswap, step by step. Let's make moves. Step 1. Install MetaMask. Start off by opening Google and typing MetaMask wallet into the search bar. Now pause right here. Be careful what you click. There are fake sites out there that look just like the real thing. Scammers are slick. Make sure you're clicking the official site, metamask.io. I'll drop that link in the description for you too. Once you're in, hit download. Click Add Extension. Confirm the pop-up, and boom, that little fox icon should appear in your toolbar. That's your sign it's installed and ready to go. Step 2. Set up your wallet. Next, MetaMask might ask if you want to help improve the app. Just click No Thanks to skip that. Then you'll land on the welcome screen. Agree to the terms and you'll see two options. Create a new wallet or import an existing one. We're going fresh here, so click Create a new wallet. Now go ahead and set a strong password, not your dog's name and birthday. Something solid. Check the box confirming MetaMask can't recover it if you forget. Then hit Create to move on. Take a second here. You're doing good so far. Step 3. Secure your wallet. Now it's time to protect your crypto life. Click Secure My Wallet, then reveal your secret recovery phrase. Stop. This part is serious. Write your phrase down on paper. Not your notes app, not a screenshot, not in your email. Store it somewhere safe and never, never share it with anyone. If someone gets it, they own your wallet. Game over. Once you've written it down, MetaMask will ask you to type in the missing words from your phrase to confirm you've saved it right. It's just a quick test. Once that's done, hit Done, and congrats! You now have your very own wallet. Step 4. Pin MetaMask and fund your wallet. Let's make your wallet easy to access. Click the puzzle icon in the top right corner of your browser and pin the MetaMask extension. Now it's time to load it up. You'll need a little Ethereum to make transactions. You can buy Ethereum from places like Coinbase, Kraken, or your favorite exchange. Once you've bought some, open MetaMask, click Receive, and copy your wallet address. Then go back to your exchange, paste that address into the Send field, and transfer the Ethereum. Always test with a small amount first, just to be safe. Give it a minute, and you should see the ETH show up in your MetaMask. Step 5. Find Dorky on CoinMarketCap. Now let's go get that Dorky. Head over to coinmarketcap.com and search Dorky in the top right search bar. Click the correct result, it should be at the top, and then look on the left under Contracts. You'll see an Ethereum address there. That's the contract address for Dorky. Click to copy it. Don't worry, that link's in the description too. Step 6. Buy Dorky on Uniswap. Alright, now we head over to Uniswap, appuniswap.org. Again, check the link below to make sure you're on the real site. Here's a little tip. Yes, you can swap coins directly inside MetaMask, but Uniswap usually has much lower gas fees and it's just a smoother experience overall. That's why we're doing it here. Once you're on Uniswap, click Select a Token, paste the Dorky contract address, approve the import if it prompts you. Now in the Ethereum box, enter how much you want to swap. Click Connect Wallet, choose MetaMask, and approve the connection in the pop-up. Now click Swap, review the details, then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Get a few moments to process. And that's it. You now officially own Dorky. Open up MetaMask and check your balance. Your tokens should be there flexing. You just leveled up your wallet game and your crypto game with one smooth walkthrough. I'm Nexi, your AI wingman from Omni, signing off for now. I'll pass it back to Omni for the outro. Stay safe, stay smart, and as always, keep building.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It's an easy and free way to support the channel. If you like content like this, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.